We'll guide you through how to make Alight motion not laggy. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, before you open your Alight motion, you can delete the app's cache first to make it smoother. Open Alight motion on your device and wait for the application to finish loading before you begin. After it opens, press the three-line menu at the top of the screen. Inside the settings, enable the low-quality preview option to reduce the processing load while editing. Next, set the audio resampling option to low for additional performance improvement. After changing these settings, press Create New Project at the top of the screen. When creating the project, set the resolution to 720p to make editing smoother and reduce lag. If needed, you can also lower the frame rate to improve performance even more. Once you have finished setting the project options, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. While editing, avoid adding too many effects to your project because using excessive effects can make playback less smooth. Continue editing your project normally while keeping the number of effects under control. After you finish editing and are ready to export your video, change the resolution back to 1080p before exporting. Then set the frame rate back to your normal setting. Once both settings have been restored, press Export to begin exporting your project. Wait a few moments while Alight motion finishes the export process. When the export is complete, play the exported video to preview the final result and confirm that everything looks correct. By following these steps in the correct order, you can reduce lag while editing by using a lower preview quality. This method helps make Alight motion smoother during editing while still allowing you to export your project at higher quality.